PUBG live streaming on Facebook. In this video, you are going to learn how to do PUBG live streaming on Facebook. So let's get started. If you are using gaming console, for example, Xbox and PlayStation, most gaming consoles offer built-in live streaming capabilities. If you are using Xbox or PlayStation, you can use the native streaming features to broadcast your gameplay directly to Facebook. And if you are using on Xbox, press the Xbox button to open the guide, then navigate to the Broadcast Capture tab and select Start Broadcasting. And most gaming consoles offer built-in live streaming capabilities. If you are using Xbox or PlayStation, you can use the native streaming features to broadcast your gameplay directly to Facebook. On PlayStation, press the Share button on your controller, select Broadcast Gameplay and choose Facebook as the streaming platform. From computer, if you are playing PUBG on PC, you can use broadcasting software like OBS Studio, Streamlabs, OBS, or XSplit to live stream to Facebook. Download and install the broadcasting software of your choice. Open the software and configure your stream settings, including video, bitrate, resolution, and audio settings. Obtain your Facebook stream key from the Facebook Live dashboard. In the broadcasting software, select Facebook as your stream platform and enter your stream key. Once configured, start your PUBG game and begin streaming by clicking the Start Streaming button in the broadcasting software. If you are using it from mobile device, you prefer to stream PUBG from your mobile device, you can use streaming apps such as Streamlabs Mobile, Omelette Arcade, or the built-in streaming feature in PUBG Mobile. Download and install a streaming app on your mobile device, and then open the app and log into your Facebook account. After that, follow the app's instructions to configure your stream settings, including resolution, bitrate, and stream title. Start PUBG Mobile on your device. In the streaming app, select PUBG Mobile as the game you want to stream, then start your stream. That's all. That's how you will be able to PUBG live stream on Facebook. That's all.